Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am showing to you all guys a beautiful and super stunning crochet knitted keychain ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing knitted keychain ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and these are very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Hope so guys you all are doing well. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. And guys, always think positive viewers. Always be positive. And these are very beautiful craft work for you guys. So think positive and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.